performing the experiments available in this very set, students will be learned how to apply the equation of equilibrium on a rigid body, both force and torque conditions. And throughout the experiments, students will directly verify their estimation results by measuring the forces afterward. About the experiment at the very last part, in order to acquire a better understanding of its real-life application, mechanical advantage of a pulley system with plenty of different configurations can be estimated theoretically and also verified experimentally. And with all this said, let's get started. Let's suppose there are three forces applying a disc fixed on its center and therefore could rotate freely. The moments generated by these forces will form a torque to rotate the disc. In addition to that, if we apply additional force on this disc to make the total torque equal to 0, the disc will not rotate and said to be in equilibrium. This force can be estimated theoretically and also verified experimentally as shown here.